right, the deathriders. Righto, we're filming. Two motor valves. The Gorgonites down the end. You'll flog these blokes like a red-headed stepchild, Max. It'll be alright. Nice to you, Sam. Look at Sam, Max. He hasn't raced either. He's calm as a kiwi, mate. Guns up. Here we go, boys. On this. Away we go. Through the edge. Round the edge we go. That's the way, Max. To the back. To the back, boys. That's it. Backwash, beauty. Good backwash. Ride it out, Sam. Ride it out. Yeah! That's the one, boys. Keep going. Keep going. There's some out the back yet. Easy. Ready. Rope. Easy. And rope. Away we go. Forward. Hit. Go. Tricky one ahead. Forward. Hit. Go hard now, Max. Here we go. Go hard. Tricky one. Forward. Hit. Well done. Us and the Gorgonites. Well done. Had to stop and just let the steam come off those ones. Clicking away. Rightio, we're going to power it up now over 3, over 2, over 1, and now we sit at the back and send. Click and away. Click and away. Got to fight back up the hill. Sit in second. Good shape. We'll still pick off a whopper. Steep turn coming up. It's going to be a 3-stroker. We're approaching. Get ready. Fire. Take another one. And a little bit on that one. And for home. Let's find one, boys. Click and away. And away. Click. You can see. Way. Fix that, Geordie. Click and away. Click and away. Here we go. Bump and away. Bump and away. This one now. Hard now, Sam. Here it is. Going to be difficult. Pull this, Max. We'll catch the Gorgonites. Let's go. Over we go. Hard you go. Over deathriders. Okay. Easy. Sit there for a bit. It's a long run, Sam. Righto, ready to row. Hey! It's alright, we're right. And row.
Through behind you.
Get going, Sam. It's right in front of you, Sam.
Small wave coming.
Easy, oars across. You go, Sam, you go. Straight ahead, mate. Out you get. Way, that way, Max. Out we get. You still having trouble getting caught, or was that just an accident? Maybe it's me just treading around the place. There we go, click and away. Sitting first, and we're pumped. Different surf now, you can feel it, nice tidy rowing. Click and away, click, hold there. Tight buoy turn coming up, hold there, click, hold there. Good boys, come on, keep it tight now. This is the hard bit. Tight turn, they're 3-stroker. Approaching. Get ready. Fire. on that one. Beautiful, away we go. Bump for the beach. Beautiful run, Trent, well spotted. Yeah, deathriders, this one. Go, 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 go. Go, go, gadget power. Here we go. Run it. Go, Mike. Run it. Run it. Go, Max. Go, Max. Come on, Deathies. Easy. Get ready. And come back. Watch out, gets tricky here. Give it a pull. That's it, a little bit. That's it. Get ready, give it another pull. There we go. And get ready to push and push. And let it go. Let it go. Well done. Up to the green, Michael. It's on your left. You got it? Well done, Deathies. Good shit. That was tricky. How'd you go? Nicely done, very pro. Yeah, it was pretty good, wasn't it? Up we go, let's get out of here. 3, 2, 1, up. All's in. Whew.